This is Steven. My friend Levi's recording this. Me! Oh, and the game's starting. You need 3 headshots to lose. Oh, come on. He said go.
And sometimes we'll change views, me and Steven. Steven over there. But right now we're going to start off as me. Okay? We're going.
No stealing people's bullets.
Hey. What the heck?
Help, Levi!
Oh, frick. I have to reload my ammo. We're gonna exchange to Steve's view. Steve's view.
I kind of
Steve's
can't.
view. Steve's view. Oh, no. Okay, I'll get it run out of here like I'm looking. Okay, viewers, we are getting that now.